I'm Zach.
And I'm Bo.
Today we're here talking about our LED small space light. It's perfect for basements, utility rooms, closets, wherever you need something with a motion sensor. Best part is, it's color selectable.
And what we're doing today is a short little install. So why don't you follow us inside? Let's go take a look. All right, now whenever you do something like this, you want to be very safe. So first things first, let's turn off the power at the breaker panel. For us, it's going to be right here. Well, that sure was an easy install, wasn't it?
It sure was.
Well, if you like that product, check out some more of what we have on our website, www.engproducts.com.